Hi guys, I'm here. Well, I'm visiting my sister's store now, and yes, I have lots of things to do. Well, I'm so tirada already selling under the sun. I have old clothes to sell. Yeah, mind that gold, and let's see about oil. And now we have to look into Poland. It's more because they said it's the center. We have to look more into Poland because it's Ukraine. And yes, China. Let's see how oil moves. There's a rollback. You see, yeah, I'm so happy about the rollback. Well, I'm still living in the streets and well, I'm so dark skinned now. It's so hard being 46 again. Back to life, back to reality. Oh yeah, it's so good. Oh, I saw videos like that here. It's free. That's pretty good. I saw it like at $50, and then nobody knows anything. This is a Quicksilver. I've been trying to tell them that this is Quicksilver, and they didn't understand what Quicksilver is. Well, for the surfers, yes. Well, I also sell mostly for children. So that's it. And, it's so hard when people see me. I think the group and the block of the donuts I'm looking around. Oh yeah, yeah. Yes, there's so much to look into, like Yellen and yes, the Fed and ECB. So let's soon to follow what's going to be give out. Yeah, well, the Filipinos have a notion that if you were a bolster or something before, because they said there was a porn artist, and they have a different connotation in Germany. I'm not well, you know how people are. Not all has well the more you talk about they didn't understand anything. 46 and that's it. And well, no maids here. As I said, the maids are rich. Okay, the prostitutes are rich. I'd rather sell old clothes. They're so rich. They have perfect bodies. They have big breasts and firm breasts and clean abs and abs. Okay, not vaginas. And they have nice legs. It's why they're rich. It's why they're prostitutes. It's their profession. So if they show their clit, it's not my problem. Okay, so guys, actually, sinayang mo sa tipilit ng market. See you soon, guys. Well, everybody challenge me by doing the analyze and study the market and predict. Well, I'm the same as Kanzi. So, I'll see you. Bye.